Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open this Acer. Okay, it's a very broken Acer, as you can see the screen. So I'm going to show you how to open it and replace the hard drive. There is screws you need to remove, as you can see here. There's one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, here, here. You remove all of them. So when you remove your screw, we are going to remove the cover slowly. Let me move this keyboard. Tight it like this. See, start removing from this, this. As you can see, it's opening slowly. Slowly, 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 and come here. Here you go. You see, I will remove it. As you can see, okay, this laptop really broke. As you can see, this is the battery here, and this is the hard drive. So I'm gonna replace this hard drive here. So we are going to remove the hard drive. It's like this. There are some screws here that you need to remove. There's another one here. There's another one here. So now I'm gonna lift the hard drive. Just like this. And then I'm gonna unplug it from here. Please be careful, very careful. Okay, so this is the hard drive. I'm gonna replace this hard drive because it is not working. Okay, and you can see it's very dirty. So this is how you open this Acer laptop, and I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Ciao.